We're bringing shirk and zina to Saudi Arabia. Shirk and zina. They invited this woman to come sing there. They already knew she was on OnlyFans, and that did not stop them. This was available 10 years ago. The Saudi government knew about this and allowed it. They gave you so much money, and instead of making the Saudis look good, you're saying stuff that is offending them. You idiot. It was the Saudi government that showed the green light. So apparently the Saudi government itself doesn't think that this makes them look bad. They think she makes them look good. The Saudi government thinks you make them look bad. The Saudi government thinks Islam makes them look bad.
Iggy Azalea, one of the biggest forces for blasphemy against the Islamic faith in the world today.
Right.
And Saudi Arabia, the Saudi Arabian government brought her to home soil. That's beautiful. We're winning.
We're bringing shirk and zina to Saudi Arabia. We're shirk and zina.
That the land of the Prophet himself is no longer controlled by believing and practicing Muslims.